Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be trying a new product that I just got from Amazon actually, and I'm so excited to try it out. I haven't tried this product out before. So this is a setting spray. So this is the One Size On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. I am so excited to try this. This is my first One Size product. I'm so excited. So I just did my makeup off camera and I waited until I was ready to film to use my setting spray. Now I did use another setting spray when I was doing my makeup because I like to layer my setting sprays. So I used the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless setting spray in between, and then I'm going to do this for my last step of makeup applications. And then I'm also going to be doing a wear test throughout the day just to really get just to see how this setting spray works. So I found this setting spray from Allie Glines. She, I guess, reviewed it on her YouTube channel, and I wanted to try it. And also, Nikki LaRose here on YouTube also had great things about it, or said great things about it. So I wanted to try it as well. So let's do it. So I wanted to get the, I think it was the Morphe setting spray, but every time I got it, the little aerosol thing did not work. So, and this is the only setting spray that had, like, for the aerosol one that actually worked, and I was like so excited. I did spray it once because I just wanted to see if it would spray, and it does, and I'm like, yes! Okay, so let's do it. I want to see if it has any instructions on the back. Let's see. Oh, instructions here. Shake well before each use and keep eyes closed during application. Yeah, all the videos I've seen on this, for this setting spray said to keep your eyes closed. So that's what I'm going to do, of course. Hold 10 to 12 inches away from face and spray in a circular motion for even distribution on skin. Okay, let's do it. All right. Whoa, okay. Definitely do have to keep your eyes closed. Okay, so I will see you guys. So I'm probably gonna do check-ins every 2 hours. So I'll see you guys in 2 hours. So it's been about 2 hours since I filmed the me using the setting spray. Now I wanted to do this first check-in in front of my window so I can get natural light. So far I absolutely love this setting spray. Now I didn't do the waterproof test, but I'm gonna do that another time, maybe film it, but yeah. My makeup is looking so good. Nothing has really budged at all, but just around my mouth. And so I was like eating lunch and my lipstick came off, so that's the only area where kind of foundation got removed, but that's just because I've been eating and drinking, so that's the only reason. But my makeup is still looking good. So the next check-in will be around 4 o'clock. So see you guys then. This is my last check-in before I remove my makeup. My makeup is still on. It still looks great. I cannot believe it. The only thing that obviously came off was my lipstick, but everything else is still looking amazing. So far I'm in love with this setting spray. So this is the last check-in before I remove my makeup. This is the best setting spray ever, along with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I absolutely love it. I think I'm definitely going to use it every day with my Charlotte Tilbury one since I like to layer my setting sprays. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!